If you work with reports, theses, manuals, or any document with a lot of visuals, then learning how to add a list of figures in Microsoft Word can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of manually typing every image title and page number, Word can build the list for you automatically and keep it updated as your document changes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and if this helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure every image, chart, or figure in your document has a caption. This is the most important step because Word uses those captions to generate the list of figures. To add one, click on your first image, then go to the References tab at the top of Word. From there, choose Insert Caption. A caption box will appear and Word will usually label it as figure by default. If needed, you can type your own caption text so it clearly describes the image, then click OK to apply it. Now repeat that process for every figure in your document. Each image should have its own caption, and it's a good idea to keep them consistent. For example, you might use figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, and so on. The more organized your captions are, the cleaner your list of figures will look when you generate it. Once all of your captions are in place, move your cursor to the location where you want the list of figures to appear. Most people place it near the front of the document, after the table of contents or before the main body of the text, but you can insert it wherever it makes sense for your layout. After placing the cursor, go back to the References tab again. This time, click Insert Table of Figures. A dialog box will open with several options. Here, make sure the caption label is set to figure. This tells Word that you want to create a list based on all of the figure captions in your document. You can also adjust other formatting options if needed, such as whether to include page numbers, align them to the right, or use a tab leader. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Word will now automatically generate your list of figures. You'll see each figure caption listed along with the page number where it appears. This is especially useful for longer documents because readers can quickly find the visual they need without searching through every page. If you later add, remove, or move figures around in your document, don't worry, you can update the list anytime. Just click inside the list of figures, then choose Update Table or press the Update option that appears. This will refresh the page numbers and captions so everything stays accurate. And that's all there is to it. Once your captions are added and the table of figures is inserted, Microsoft Word does the heavy lifting for you. It's a simple process, but it makes your document look much more polished and professional. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.